Have you ever looked into an animal's eyes and wondered what they think of you? Not what they feel, not whether they like you, but what they actually think you are. To a dog, are you family? To a cat, are you staff? To a bird, are you a strange featherless giant? And to a wild animal, are you a threat, a curiosity, or something so confusing that it does not fit into any category at all? The truth is, animals do not see humans the way we see ourselves. We think of ourselves as people with names, jobs, phones, houses, and complicated lives. Animals do not know any of that. They judge us through smell, sound, movement, routine, and behavior. So, the real question is not, do animals understand humans? The better question is, what kind of creature do they think we are? Before we answer, remember this. Every animal builds its opinion of us from repeated patterns. A sound before food, a hand that feels safe, a step that feels dangerous. To them, we are not explained by words. We are explained by what we do again and again. That is where their real judgment of humans begins. Now, let's start with dogs. Dogs may be the animals that understand humans best, not because they think we are dogs, but because they have learned to read us better than almost any other creature. They notice our faces, our voices, our hands, and even tiny changes in our mood. When you point, many dogs understand the direction. When you sound sad, some move closer. In their mind, you are not a stranger from another species, you are part of their social world. That is why your return home can feel like a major event. For a dog, the door opening is not just noise. It is the return of food, safety, play, and comfort. You are the strange, upright pack member who cannot smell well, cannot run very fast, and still somehow controls everything important. Then comes the deeper part. Dogs do not only follow humans for rewards. They attach to us emotionally. They look to us for guidance, protection, routine, and reassurance. To a dog, a human can become home itself. Cats understand us too, but they play a different game. They watch first, respond later, and decide carefully, as if studying our usefulness every single new day. A cat may not see you as a master. It may see you as a large, clumsy roommate that can be trained. That is why cats meow at humans more than they meow at adult cats. They learn that one sound opens a door, another brings food, and another gets attention. When a cat rubs against your leg, blinks slowly, or curls near you, it is not random. It is placing you inside its small social circle. But trust from a cat is never automatic. It is earned through calm movement, familiar routines, and respect for distance. Horses read humans in a completely different way. To a horse, your words matter less than your body. Your shoulders, breathing, speed, and confidence all speak before your mouth does. If you walk in tense, the horse feels tension. If you move calmly, the horse may relax. That is because horses survive by reading danger before it arrives, and humans are confusing to them. We have forward-facing eyes like predators, yet we bring food, grooming, and care. Over time, a horse may decide that this strange, predator-shaped creature is actually a leader worth following and trusting when the path feels uncertain. Birds may see humans in an even sharper way. A crow does not simply notice a human shape. It can remember a face, connect that face to danger or kindness, and even warn other crows about it. That means to some birds, you are not just part of a species, you are a specific individual with a record. Parrots can go even further. They bond with people, copy voices, demand attention, and sometimes treat humans like flock members, parents, rivals, or partners in daily life. To a bird, we are giant wingless creatures with strange sounds and powerful hands, but we also control food, doors, lights, and freedom. Wild animals judge us with less emotion and more survival. A deer does not wonder who you are. It reads your distance, smell, speed, and direction. If you seem dangerous, it runs. If you become predictable, it may ignore you. In cities, animals adapt even faster. Squirrels, pigeons, foxes, and raccoons may treat humans like moving parts of the landscape. Sometimes we are threats. Sometimes we drop crumbs. Sometimes we own magical food boxes called trash cans. Marine animals may see humans as strange, weak visitors in a world we barely understand. Dolphins are fast, graceful, and aware, while we splash, sink, breathe through equipment, and move like confused land creatures. To a dolphin, a human may look curious but helpless. a slow swimmer wrapped in bubbles. Whales may notice us differently. Beside them, we are tiny, fragile, and easy to damage. Yet some still move gently around people, as if they can sense our weakness without knowing our story. Then there are octopuses, whose minds may be the hardest for us to imagine. An octopus can recognize people, explore with clever arms, and react differently to different keepers. To it, a human may be a large, repeated pattern outside the glass, a creature that brings food, changes light, and disturbs its world. And maybe that is the answer. Animals may not think, "What is a human?" They learn, "What does this creature usually do?" To some, we are family. To others, danger. To others, noise, food, safety, or confusion. In the end, animals judge us by behavior, and every single day, without speaking, we are teaching them what kind of creature we really truly are now.